You seriously need to stop scrolling and look at what is happening on YouTube Shorts and TikTok right now. There is a specific type of video that is absolutely taking over the algorithm. I'm talking about these AI renovation time-lapse videos. The numbers these channels are pulling in are honestly scary. Let me prove it to you. I was looking at this one channel earlier. This guy has only uploaded about 77 videos in total. That is not a lot of content. But when you look at his most popular uploads, your jaw is going to drop. He has a single video with 249 million views. And it wasn't just a lucky break. If you scroll down, you see 62 million, 23 million, 21 million. Basically, every time he presses the upload button, he goes viral. And it's not just him. There is a brand new page on TikTok that started doing this recently. In just the last month, they gained over 870,000 followers. They have videos hitting over 100 million views on autopilot. The crazy part? Nobody filmed these houses. Every single pixel of these videos was created by AI. So, I decided to figure out exactly how they are doing it, and today, I'm going to teach you the entire process step by step. I'm going to show you how to do this using only free AI tools, so you don't have to spend a dime to get started. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button to support the channel and drop a like if you learned something cool today. It really helps me out. The first thing we need is a vision. You don't want to waste time staring at a blank screen guessing what to make. So, I have done the heavy lifting for you. I created a powerful master prompt. You can find the link right down in the video description. You only need this one prompt to get started. Go ahead and copy that prompt. Then, open up Grok AI or ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the chat box and hit enter. Instantly, the AI is going to give you 10 viral video ideas. It will describe different locations, like a dusty old attic turning into a gaming room, or a basement turning into a home theater. You can ask for 15 or 20 ideas if you want, but 10 is plenty to start. Now, look at the list. You don't even have to type out a reply. Just pick the number of the design you like. Let's say you like idea number 4. Just type 4 into the chat and press enter. The AI will immediately spit out everything you need. It gives you 5 specific prompts, 3 image prompts for the different stages of construction, and 2 transition prompts to help us animate it later. Okay, now we need to create our first image. This is the empty room. Copy the first image prompt the AI gave you. Now, head over to Google and search for a tool called Image FX, or you can use Whisk AI. Both of them are free right now. Let's use Whisk AI for this example. Click on the tool, go to the prompt box, and paste your text there. Here's a pro tip. Make sure you look at the dimensions setting below. If you are making this for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, select 9 by 16. If you are making a long video, pick 16 by 9. Hit enter and wait a few seconds. You will see a few options for a messy, empty room. Pick the one that looks the most realistic and download it to your computer. Now, this is the part where most people get stuck. How do you remodel the room without changing the walls and windows? We are going to use a trick with Google Gemini. Go to Gemini and log in with your Gmail. Click on Create Image. You will see a little plus icon that is the upload button. Click that and upload the picture of the empty room we just made. This is crucial because we are telling the AI, look at this image and use it as a reference. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. This is the one for the renovation stage. Paste that into Gemini along with your uploaded photo and hit enter. Gemini creates a new image. It keeps the room structure exactly the same, but now it adds construction workers, ladders, and paint buckets. It looks like the renovation has actually started. Download that image. Now, let's finish the job. Click the plus sign again and upload the original empty room picture one more time. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the third image prompt for the final luxury result, and paste it into Gemini. And look at the result. It is the exact same location, the same perspective, but now it is completely transformed into a luxury masterpiece. This is the power of AI. You just created a full renovation timeline in 3 simple clicks. We have our pictures, but now we need to turn them into a movie. For this, we are going to use Google Veo 3.1. You can access this through a tool called Flow. Create an account, click on New Project, and then choose the option that says Frames to Video. This tool works by connecting two images together. You will see a box for a start frame and a box for an end frame. First, upload your empty room image into the start frame. Then, upload your renovation image into the end frame. Now, go back to your ChatGPT list. Find the prompt that says, Transition between image 1 and image 2. Copy that and paste it into the prompt box on Veo. Press Enter. The AI will generate a smooth video clip showing the empty room filling up with construction gear. It looks incredibly real. Now let's create the second half of the video. Upload the renovation image as the start frame. Upload the final luxury image as the end frame. Copy the second transition prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and hit Enter. Now you have a clip where the construction finishes and the beautiful furniture appears. Download both of these clips in 1080p resolution. The hard work is done. Now, just open up CapCut or whatever video editor you prefer. Import your two clips. Drag them onto the timeline and make sure they are in the right order. Empty to renovation, then renovation to luxury. When you play them back to back, you will see the complete transformation workflow. It looks seamless and realistic. The cool thing about Google Veo is that it often generates sound effects automatically, so you might already have construction sounds and music in the background. If you want, you can add a simple dissolve transition between the clips to make it even smoother. And that is literally it. You are done. You just made a viral style video using two tools and $0. All you need to do is be consistent. Pick a niche, maybe focus on luxury bathrooms or modern kitchens, and keep uploading. There is a huge opportunity here because nobody realizes how fast you can make these videos with this workflow. Go start creating, and I'll see you in the next video.